Mastering modal verbs. Unlocking can and could. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a very important aspect of English grammar: modal verbs. We'll be focusing on two primary modal verbs, can and could. These two verbs can unlock a variety of expressions and meanings in English. So, buckle up and let's start the journey. Can is a modal verb used to express ability, permission, or possibility. Let's take a look at these uses in detail. 1. Ability. Can indicates what someone is able to do. Example: she can play the piano. 2. Permission. Can be used to ask for or give permission. Example: can I use your pen? 3. Possibility. Can is used to state that something is possible. Example: it can rain today. Remember, can is used in the present tense. When you're talking about the past, that's where could comes in. Could is the past tense of can, but it also has some unique uses of its own. Here are its primary uses. 1. Past ability. Could is used when talking about something that someone was able to do in the past. Example: when I was younger, I could run a mile in 6 minutes. 2. Polite requests. Could is a more polite way to ask for something compared to can. Example: could you please pass the salt? 3. Possibility. Like could can also be used to express possibility. However, could often suggests a more uncertain possibility. Example: I could go to the cinema tonight, but I'm not sure yet. While can and could are often interchangeable, there are some differences to note. Remember, can is more definite and certain, while could is more polite and less certain. Could can express a past ability that can't. Can is more direct and common in everyday English, while could is more formal and polite. And that's a wrap. Today, we've learned about the modal verbs can and could, their different uses, and how to differentiate between them. We hope you found this helpful and it can, or should we say could, make a difference in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you next time.